Hello, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to create an animation in Davinci Resolve. So to start off, we'll drop our map into our media file, and then we'll go to the fusion layers. In here, we'll start off by creating a polygon. We don't want this polygon connected to the rest of the image. We just want it to be a separate reference file. So we'll say that it starts from here in front of the station, and let's say it just zigzags through the town and comes back towards the university. So I'll drop our character in, creating a media file, create a transform layer, just so we can see what's happening. Create two merges. There we go. Now to link this image, which we can see here, to the polygon, we first want to go to our polygon layer, go to the inspect panel, where it says right click here for shape animation. We want to go publish, and we'll go back to this transform layer, right click on your center X or Y, go animate, head to modifiers, right click here for shape animations, connect to your polygon line and the value. And you can see that it's linked up onto the value. Let's change the size of this. An error that seems to occur quite often is that your polygon will scale incorrectly to the rest of the map. So we'll just adjust this polygon line. Move that start point as well. So now that we've done this, we've got to set some keyframes, because at the moment if we play it, the character won't move. To do this, in the modifiers, click on your path, adjust your frames. So let's say in 20 frames time he moves across the street. And then in another 20 frames time, maybe he'll move down here. You can just repeat this for the rest of the sequencing. There we are. Let's just delete these earlier references. And we can just readjust where that displacement is. There we are. So now we should see when this plays that we move along the polygon line. What you can also do is if you want to create like a jiggle animation on the character, I'll zoom in a bit so we can see a bit better. You can also change the rotation. So let's say every 10 frames Let's say every 10 frames he moves down and up. So go down, 20. And there we are. So this should create a little jiggle. It might be too small, so you can always just go back to these keyframes. Let's just increase this. Instead of clicking on the time frame, you can also just click on these arrows in your inspector panel, which is a little bit more efficient. There we go. Okay, and if you want to change the color as well, there's also a color range modifier. There we go. So before it goes into the merge, you have to color curves. Oops. The color range, there we are, color corrector. And then again, at certain frames, you can just change the color with keyframes. And you should see a colorful, fancy person. And that's a way that you can animate a character or image coming across your screen. Thanks for watching.